live in a constant state of fear, or live in a constant state of boredom. Eat only raw meat or eat only moldy bread. Never be able to speak again or never be able to hear again. Be lost in the desert for a week or be lost in the ocean for a day. Have constantly itchy eyes or have constantly runny nose. Always be too hot or always be too cold. Only be able to whisper loudly or only be able to shout softly. Sleep in a room full of spiders or sleep in a room full of snakes. Have a constant bad breath or have a constant body odor.